What is it? Can we look? What does this look like? Is this a dollhouse?
Oh, no, I'll open.
Okay, we'll open.
Can I do it?
You can.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't require assembly.
Look.
Yeah, it does. Just a little bit though. Oh. Look, yeah. We gotta put the roof on.
Yeah.
Goes just like this.
Honey. Look at this. Honey. Honey, come here. Honey, look at.
What is this, buddy? Is this a house? Look at that, it's a house.
Honey.
It doesn't have any furniture inside. I wonder what we're going to get to put inside. Look, it has a door.